I don't think anyone watching this video actually understands how passionately I feel about this winter and fall season, mainly because I live in Mumbai and it is literally never cold here except for the mornings and the night because it gets kind of chilly then. But today I have a few product recommendations that smell literally of vanilla, caramel, chocolate, sweet and warm fragrances. I really hope that you'll enjoy watching this video. If you all do, please don't forget to subscribe and just let me know your thoughts on this video. And by the way guys, these products are on a budget and more of them are literally under 500 rupees. This has been my favorite throughout years. I feel like I love this product since 2 years because it definitely suits my hair very well and it just leaves it very soft and it smells divine. It is the Palm Olive Coconut Joy Body Scrub. This smells a bit more like coconut with a bit of florals. I love how it exfoliates my skin and it does give you that warm feel to it. So I repurchased this for this winter season. Everyone's favorite, which is the Vaseline Coco Glow. This one smells so much like creamy, soft and like shea buttery, so I love it, and this nourishes my skin very well. Like, it's super thick, so if you lather it on your feet, it is perfect for like that hydration. Don't know if you all have seen like this one Gisu hair mist or like this hair oil that everyone keeps talking about, and from then I was always on a hunt for like a hair mist but like a Indian brand, right? And Fix My Curls has recently launched this warm vanilla sugary hair mist and I was so happy to like try this. And this smells very sweet, feminine and floral, and it's not on the warm side but it's just more like the sweeter side. I really wanted to add this Body Shop shea butter body mist, and firstly this won't even stay on your body for like an hour and the fragrance is just very below average. Like, it just smells very clean, but I honestly did not enjoy this at all. Now again, everyone knows that Plum has the best fragrances, right? But if you were to ask me that which is my favorite out of all of Plum BodyLovin's fragrance range, I feel like the vanilla Caramello one is my absolute favorite. I only repurchase this every single time, and there is another variant which is smoking vanilla one. Personally, I love more of warm vanilla fragrances and not sweet vanilla fragrances like candy like. So I really enjoyed the vanilla Caramello, and it is the legit dupe of the Sol de Janeiro wala body mist. But I did not really like the smoking vanilla much. I loved the vanilla Caramello one. I have this one Perfume roll-on thing and it was recommended by that quirky miss aka Aditi, and this is in the Fragrant Cocoa Musk, and this literally smells like chocolate in a bottle, and it's not even in a like a very typical chocolate smell. It's like a very soothing chocolate smell, and you just have to apply the roll-on. I don't know why the packaging is so faulty, but the product doesn't come out. Like, I have to rub it a lot for the product to come out, but this will stay on your body for like the whole day. It's that strong. One product I'm definitely gonna empty this fall season is this Plum Vanilla Caramello Body Lotion. Again, this smells so divine, guys. If you want to buy one product out of all of these, I would definitely recommend this because this literally smells like fall in a bottle, and yeah, I love this product a lot. I also have an underarm roll-on recommendation for you all, and this one is by Caramello. I have repurchased this thrice in like a whole year because this smells so good. It smells of like vanilla and coconut, and it's just very refreshing, clean, and this does stay on my body for like at least 3 hours if I'm sweating a lot and if I'm stepping out. If you are someone who likes fragrances that smell more like the cocoa butter or like the shea butter kind of like a side, this one by Parachute does the job. It has a hint of coconut with a bit of cocoa and shea butter, and it's like a very soothing buttery smell. I feel like everyone only talks about Plum when it comes to like vanilla fragrances, so I actually tried something that's not from that brand, and this one is by Buds and Berries in the vanilla and macadamia body wash. Again, this doesn't smell like vanilla at all. I feel like this just smells more of like chocolate to me, like those 2 rupee chocolates that we used to buy as kids. So yeah, this just smells of that. I cannot smell anything that's different. It's like a very sweet fragrance again. Now we have this Layer Wottagirl mist in the variant Vanilla Twist. This only reminds me of my school and college because I've repurchased it so often then, and I still repurchase it now because it's super affordable. It does do the job, and I feel like this smells a bit more on like the floral and the warmer side, and I am pretty satisfied with this fragrance, although some people might find this a bit chemically. Other than that, I feel like I definitely like it. Side note, whenever I'm saying sweet, don't really think that these products will give you a headache because they are not that strong in my opinion. yeah, just wanted to let you all know that. Guys, if you could buy one product out of all of these in terms of like a body wash, definitely get this Love Beauty and Planet coffee and warm vanilla body wash. This is my third bottle. I genuinely love it so much. It just smells of like warm rich coffee, like your regular Nescafe beans, but like a tad bit better. This is pretty affordable for how long it lasts and for how good it smells, mainly because this is very thick, so like even if you'll apply it, I feel like the moisture lingers on your body even after you washed it off. Like you will still feel a bit oily, and it's just good for like intense hydration. Now I did get this as PR. It is by Fix My Curls, and again this smells like literal cookies and cream. Like if you want your hair to smell like that again, you can go for it. Like if you have the budget, you could definitely try it. I also showed you all the vanilla hair mist by the similar brand, but I love this one a bit more because it smells something different, and it literally smells like cookies and cream, and it's a mist conditioner. I have two products from Bath and Body Works. One is the Waiki Beach Coconut, and the other one is, guys, the name is erased. I don't know what is this fragrance. Guys, I feel like with these kind of fragrances, it just makes so much more sense if you go to the store, try it for yourself, and then buy it. Like just don't buy it on someone's recommendation if you're paying a lot. But yeah, this one smells like coconut, and I love it. Like I love coconut fragrances. I was shocked to see this product, but this is by Westside and it is called Coconut Water Body Scrub. I was also gifted a lotion by this very brand, and this is again very coconutty, and I love it. It does remind me of fall, but this also has a bit of florals in it. Again, you can just go to the store, smell it for yourself, and then buy it if you want to. But I love this scrub for good exfoliation. So Unique Vanilla Candy and Marshmallow Body Mist. This one smells so sweet, like literal marshmallows dipped in sugar, you guys. And I like it. Like it lasts for about 2 to 3 hours, and it smells something different. Try something different. I would suggest go for like the body oil this winter season, because this is genuinely nourishing, and the oil is not that sticky. Like you can just lather a bit of body oil and you're good to go. Now here are a few products on my wish list. I definitely want this scrub and this body wash by Dove, and this shower oil is a bit expensive, so if I want to ever, you know, pamper myself, I might just get it on sale. And this warm vanilla body mist. This, we have come to the end of this video. I really hope that you all enjoyed me yapping. I was so excited to share all these products. I'm sorry if I was a bit fast. I'm still learning this whole talking to the camera thing, but yeah, I really hope that you all enjoyed. I'll share all the links in the description below, and let me know if you want a part 2, because I have a few more recommendations to share with you all. I want to see you all very soon, so stay tuned. Bye.